What up, YouTube? It's your boy Southern Smoke Boss back at it again. I know y'all probably getting tired of me, but guess what? I'm gonna keep it coming, baby. So if you already can't tell what I'm making, I'm gonna be making a pie, a pecan pie. It's gonna be really simple. But what I'm gonna first start off by doing is I'm gonna go ahead and put my pie shell in the oven for about. I have that pie shell on 350. We're gonna bake it for 10 minutes. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna go ahead and put my eggs in a bowl. Go ahead and get them beaten up. Now that we have our 3 eggs beaten up, we're gonna add in 1 cup of light brown sugar. Get the eggs and the light brown sugar combined together. You can use Karo syrup or corn syrup. This is pancake syrup, the butter flavor. I'm going to be using 1 cup. And now we're just going to get all these 3 ingredients combined together. So I have a cup of pecans I'm going to add in here and get that combined in here with it. So just so we can thicken it up a little, we're going to put a tablespoon of all-purpose white flour in here. And now we're just gonna get this all combined up and it'll be ready to go in our pie crust. It's gonna be some amazing filling. Alright, so I'm going to go check on my pie crust and get it, pull that out of the oven. You guys stay tuned. Be right back. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and our pie crust is out of the oven. Got nice and set for, I've been there for 10 minutes. So we'll go ahead and add in our pecan pie filling. So now I'm going to put half pecans, go around circles around here, but this is up to you if you want to do this. It's gonna sit just like that. So now we're gonna put it in the oven for 50 minutes. So the longer you let it sit, the firmer the jelly will get, the filling go get for the pie. So you want to let it sit for like 4 to 6 hours, but I'm in a little rush to get a piece of it, man, because I've been craving pecan pie for a while. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to the video today and checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, be sure to go over to IG and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Peace out.